I'm Freddie. I'm going to build a bird today. Shall I show Duplo? Just a minute. Little Duplo. What does Duplo do? This is Duplo. Now I'm going to put it back. I'll just get over here. And I'm going to build a bird. My trains are too bad. What's this? Show the train track. Shep! Shep! Shep. No Shep. That's my little brother, Harvey. Shall I make it? Mummy, fix it. No. Watch this. No. Put it on head, then put it on head, then. Mummy, put it on head. Harvey, put it on head.
It doesn't go on the head, Harvey. It goes on your hand. It goes round your arm like that.
Look now, it's a bird. Remember to subscribe for more videos.
Oh, I don't know if it was...